Finally, the Netherlands and Denmark have announced the delivery of 61 F-16 fighter jets to Ukraine. Of these, the Netherlands will supply 42 and Denmark 19 F-16 fighter jets. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky thanked the two countries after receiving this long-awaited announcement. Zelensky met Prime Minister Matt Fredriksson at Skystrup Airport in Boens, Denmark during a two-day visit. At a joint press conference there, Fredriksson said 90 warplanes will be handed over to Ukraine between this year and next year. He believes that they will be useful in protecting the airspace of Ukraine. However, Denmark has given some conditions regarding the use of these warplanes. According to the country's defense minister Jacob Ellemann Jensen, the warplanes provided by Denmark and Netherlands can only be used on the territory of Ukraine to fight the enemy. Whether tanks, fighter jets, or anything else is given to Kiev, everything will be on the same terms. Meanwhile, Dutch Prime Minister Mark Rutte announced giving F-16 to Kiev. However, no decision has been made yet on whether all the fighter jets of the Netherlands and Denmark will be given as a grant or not. Zelensky thanked Denmark after announcing the delivery of the fighter jets. In a speech outside the country's parliament, Zelensky said that if Ukraine does not survive, Russia's other neighboring countries will also be threatened. Zelensky also said, "Today we are confident that Russia will lose the war. I'm sure we will win because the truth is on our side."